Hello, everyone. Today, we are going to present Lockheed Corporation case study. Our members group are Jacqueline, me, João, Raghu, and Ravinder. Our agenda is introduction, inventory management, rental equipment program, equipment sale, and conclusion. Now, I'm going to call João, which are going to move forward with the introduction.
For now, I'm gonna tell a little bit about a brief introduction about the company. In this presentation, the main aim is explore Lockseed Corporation with communication with suppliers and adhesive industry, and especially the post-merge with TCAE. What was the challenge in the customer service and operational service? We will analyze the company market position, learn margin impact, and pricing strategy, and propose recommendation about these implementations. Going to the next slide is about inventory management. Uh, Everybody knows that for have a good health inside the company, it's necessary to have a good inventory management. And for this company, it's not different. And then we discuss it about it and have the conclusion that it's necessary to apply some just-in-time strategy, GIT strategy, so that we can have reduce the costs and the warehouse can have better efficiency. However, for this happen, this tricky integration with supplies and stock level is crucial. Uh, Optimize order quantities and frequency to improve inventory turnover, like I said before. Demand for request optimization is as well a new point to be discussed about the recommendation. Uh, we'd like to explain that it's necessary to have more tools. More tools can have more technique to ensure the production needs align with market, reduce risk in stock. Always have the right amount of material. You avoid fat inventory. Avoid too many raw materials that's not necessary. With that, it's going to be a reduced cost and maintain appropriate stock levels. For the next slide, we have extra recommendation here, supply manage inventory, DMI. With that, we have a better relationship with the suppliers. And then due to it, we can have an improvement in negotiation and deadline in supply chain efficiency. It can, like I said before, it again, we will reduce the excess of inventory. Another point is price and equipment retail strategy. With that, we can adjust price because the company had a different price from other competitors, and then it make new customers look at that and start to think it is good or not buy from this company or not, buy the service from this company or not. And then we can adjust and put all those price competitive at the same page, and then it can have more balance and it can have more competitive with the other company which were sell the same problem, the same material, the same service. It can offer flexible evaluation model to attract new customers. Going to the next part of my presentation, customer experience focus, especially after the measure after company integration with TCAE, we have an enhanced technical support and after sales service because after this merge, we have some problems with uh, speed of issue solution, have fast communication with customers, and then we put some points here just to make sure that's going to be happy and the customer is going to be happy again. Now it's my final presentation. I would like to invite Ravinder to go ahead with the presentation. Thank you.
Hey, today I will going to talk about on the equipment rental program of Loctate. So, as we can see, the distribution center, the current pricing strategy orders are 40% of the annual volume at once and only replenishes when stock reach 20%. This creates a situation where excess inventory builds up, locking capital and increasing holding cost. To improve inventory turns, we recommend smaller, more frequent orders that better reflect real-time demand. This would allow us to reduce overstock and improve turnover rates. Enhancing demand forecasting tool will also help play an important role in optimizing stock levels, ensuring we are neither overstocked nor understocked. Finally, by implementing a just-in-time inventory approach, we can reduce the need for safety stock. This will make our operation more alike and responsive to actual customer demand, improving overall efficiency. So for the next slide, it's a supply chain involves several key participation, such playing a important role in delivering value to our customer. The first one is supplier, which provide the raw material and component necessary for our product. Their timely delivery and commitment to quality are essential in maintaining our production schedule and ensuring our product meet high standards. Second, we have manufacturer. Manufacturer develops, assemble, and markets the equipment. Our value lies in offering high quality products that are competitive with our advice system backed by technology support. Finally, we have distributor which manage the logistic and ensure fast delivery to customer across different region. They help maintain localized service, which is essential for providing equipment to customer quickly and efficiently. By aligning the efforts of these participants, we ensure that the entire supply delivers optimum value to the end users. For the third slide, we have the evolution of equipment rental program, which first we have the loaner program, which allow customer to borrow equipment for free. This helped increase the number of trial, but came with high cost due to zero revenue. In response, the Lean team introduced a revised rental program that added rental fee for the equipment. This was strategic move, as it allowed Loctate to recover cost while still giving customers the opportunity to test the equipment before purchasing. The new program has several advantages. Customers who pay the rental fee are more serious about evaluating the equipment, which lead to higher quality leads and better conversation rate. This shift also supports Lotate's border strategy of aligning pricing with value. It encourages customer to invest the time in the equipment while still offering them the flexibility to try before buying. Overall, the revised program helps Locate remain competitive while managing the cost. Now, I would like to Jack Neil to continue from this.
Hello, now I'm back to talk about Kaizen and the Kiwi theory to apply it to optimize the equipment rental program in Loctate. So Kaizen is a component of the Lean methodology and means continuous improvement. Is the philosophy to looking for improvement even after the main goal was achieved. Kaizen is a tool for problem resolution, and is applied generally in cases involving inventory, setup clusters, and time. So here, query theory is a statistical framework which uses two different statistical distributions, Poisson and exponential. Poisson for measure the customer arrivals, and exponential for measure the duration of the service time. So here I have two figures which represents these two distributions. The first one, Poisson, which is a discrete distribution and measure the probability of an event happening a certain numbers of times during an interval or of time. For example, in this case, which we analyzed, the numbers of time equipment is requested for rental. And the second distribution, exponential distribution, is a continuous distribution which measures the time until an event happens. In this case, which we are analyzing, is like the time of a customer take to bring back equipment which was rented. So here I have an example which was this queen theory was applying in Lockheed company. So I have an item which was requested to be rented 3 times per month, which the 1 month average of rent period. So this formula here brings me the probability of utilization of each piece of equipment according the informations I have here. So in this equation I have lambda is the average number of rental requested in a month, and mu is the average service duration in months, and m is the number of equipment for rental available in my inventory. So here I have in this table the comparison between number of equipment available in the inventory and the probability of utilization these equipments. With one equipment, I have the rate of utilization of 300%. The system is very overloaded. So with two, the utilization is still above 100%. With 3, the utilization reaches 100%, but there is a very great risk about long lines of waiting for this equipment. And when they put 5 equipments available, we have an optimal result because the rate of utilization is 60%, and there is no too much risk for underutilization of these equipment, and fewer cause of system for overload. Also, they can save money, spending money to keep the maintenance of too much equipment. So now I'm going to call Raghu to talk about equipment sale. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Ravinder, for talking about supply chain. Now I'd like to talk about equipment sale in Lockheed case. Let's go. Yeah, system approach. Lockheed industry follows system approach, which is an integration of service that the bundling of equipment. That means they bring out the products, bundle of products in their place and fit them. Then they will reach out to the supplier. But there is a little problem faced by Lockheed industry in such system approach because of negative customer feedback. Then they decided to sell the equipment. Now I'll tell you about both sides of equipment selling. First, on the positive side, In the positive side, there will be a lean management can happen by cutting out some operational cost and overtime use of machinery. This cost could cut down and could improve the profit. On the other hand, at the same hand, on the other side, there will be another positive impact that with this amount they could reinvest the profitable amount at the weaker area of their industry. Now there is a negative side. The negative side of selling an equipment is that they need to extend their warranty with the customer and need to make sure of the spare parts of availability. But here, 75% of Loctite industry equipment are made by themselves. Now, when they're making another new machinery, they need to buy some parts from outside, which could cause some reputation damage in future. Next, the pricing strategy. Loctite's equipment are mostly above the market price every time because I could say they could because they could give good warranty and they have a on-site installation program as well as the spare parts will be available all the time for every equipment. So their pricing strategy will be above the market value, but by following a lean management, they came up with market price. Also, they follow the Toyota non-cost pricing. This pricing has a formula followed by Toyota, which is the market value minus cost. They could derive the profit. This is followed exactly by local industry, have by collecting the data of the equipment. Now let's go to the next one. Equipment Service Hub. Here there is a little problem with the Equipment Service Hub that there is an engineering team and purchasing team which they are not got along together. In this case, there will be engineering team which provides the design everything, and there's a purchasing team that has the know which raw material to buy. So if those two departments are not together, there will be excess of products in the inventory or less of a lack of products in the inventory that could cause a back order. If there is a back order happens, there will be a sustainable waste of money, which is they need to pay to the supplier because of late delivery of the item. If there is a surplus of inventory, they need to pay as well because of the inventory cost. And in this case, as like Ravitar mentioned in his slide, there will be a just-in-time process. In this case, there will be a good turnover for the inventory management because just-in-time is followed by receiving an order and reaching out to the customer with the equipment or product. Uh, Since even if their market value is high, the Loctite industry has a good sales team, so it is not that big a deal for selling the equipments whenever they want. Now that's it for our team case. I would like to conclude this. Thank you so much for my team, Jacqueline, Joe, and Ravinder for giving out an awesome speech, awesome presentation about Loctite industry. Thank you so much.